I just finished my BTech in Computer Science from COEP, College of Engineering, Pune. And I took GATE 2016 and I'll be joining ISC Bangalore in 2017 batch. So I plan to do a PhD after my MTech. I'll be doing MTech in Computer Science Engineering now, and then I'll go for PhD. So PhD I want to pursue from outside, from abroad, some university under a very good mentor. So after I complete my PhD, I want to, I have a very vague plan. Like, I will either go and work as research scientist in some research lab, or I want to go into academics as a professor. So either case, I'll need a PhD and I'll be doing a PhD. And I really like my subject, my field of study. So I want to do a PhD because of that also. And right now, my plan for doing this is I just finished my BTech in computer science. I was I was my college topper in my BTech college, and abhi MTech ko I'll go for IIC Bangalore. So I'll have to work like really hard over there, and I'll try to publish a few papers or something, and then I'll try for PhD immediately after my MTech. And if I don't get an admit very soon immediately, then I'll go for some research internships, and again after a year or so I'll apply for PhD. So yeah, that's my plan basically.
Thank you so much, Pooja, and wishing you all the very best with your goals. Is there any specific question or an advice that you would want to take from our panelist?
Like I said, I want to go for PhD. So if you can tell me that what a good what a professor wants from his student when he sees PhD applications. Like, there will be a lot of applications and everyone will be very good. So what will distinguish me from the other applicants when I send my application?
So regarding PhD from IIC Bangalore and about your future plans, so you're right now going for a master's there. So I had few friends in the computer science department in IIC Bangalore, and I had some PhD friends also, and as well as masters. So the thing in computer science is that after you finish your master, you are well qualified to work on algorithms for companies, and you'll get plenty of good opportunities in corporate world, Amazon and Yahoo and these kind of things, and the pay packages is also quite good in Microsoft and all, and you can do hands-on work. But if you want to go for PhD, I'm sharing experience which I got from my friend. It moves towards the pure basic mathematics in computer science. So then you will be working on some academic problem, and down the line maybe you'll spend 4 or 5 years maybe in India and abroad, and it will be good to move in academics. So I think if you have, still you have time with you, you can spend 2 years in IIC and you can see what excites you more. Whether it's the application of the algorithms and creating new softwares for the companies. That is also quite exciting, and people are enjoying that. And academics wise, it's a bit tough, a bit challenging, because it goes into pure mathematics where the breakthroughs are very hard to achieve in the computer science field, and people struggle a lot. So really you have your time and you can make up your mind in the next 2 years.